Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a totaling column formula in Excel. Let's get started. We'll be working with a sample spreadsheet that I've prepared, featuring a fictitious list of employees, their worked weeks, and hours per week. First, scroll down to the bottom of the table and add a new column labeled Total. In cell B12, we'll enter our formula. Instead of tediously adding each cell manually, we'll use a more efficient method with Excel's sum function. Click on cell B12 and let's start by typing the sum formula. Simply type equals sum, S-U-M, open parentheses, and then select the entire range of cells you want to include in the sum. In our case, it will be the range of cells containing the weeks worked. After selecting the range, close the parentheses and press Enter. Excel will automatically calculate the sum for you. Here's a quick tip. Instead of typing out the formula, you can look for the sigma symbol, which represents summation in mathematics. Excel provides a shortcut for this purpose. Click the sigma symbol, and Excel will automatically detect the adjacent cells and calculate the sum. Hit Enter and you're done. Now let's consider the total hours column, column D. Follow the same steps to create the sum formula. If there are any blank lines within your data, Excel will intelligently sum only up to the blank line. To maintain data integrity, it's essential to keep a consistent pattern and avoid unnecessary blank lines. Finally, you can format the total as you like. For better visibility, you might want to make the total numbers bold or apply other formatting options based on your preference. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more contents like this.